This is my sweet potato casserole, homemade. I'm trying to get to the yes, sweet, sweet yes. Ooh. This is my filling: potatoes, butter, brown sugar, whipping cream, Chinese 5-spice, cinnamon, vanilla flavor, nutmeg, butter extract, 2 eggs, and then you will blend. Mix, mix, mix. Ooh, so creamy. Ooh. Now we are going to make our oatmeal cookie crust crumble. You are going to use half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of quick cookie notes, cinnamon, 1 stick of room temperature butter. Why am I giving you exact measurements all of a sudden? Because I don't want you jacking up my recipe. I'm trying to get to the yes, sweet, sweet yes. Ooh, shabba-dabba-dwee-dwee-dwee. Now you are going to top your filling with marshmallows and that beautiful oatmeal cookie crust crumble that you made. Trying to get to the yes. Bake 10 to 15 minutes on 350 degrees. There are the results, and it was magically delicious.